ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಧನಂಜಯ ಪದ್ಮನಾಭಾಚಾರ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಏನಿದೆ, ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಮಂತ್ರಿ ಸೆರೆನಿಟಿ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಓನರ್ಸ್ ಫೋರಂ ಏನಿದೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ, ಮಂತ್ರಿ ಡೆವಲಪರ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ 2010ನೇ ಇಸ್ವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟಿನ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ JDA ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 2010 ಶುರು ಆದಂತಹ JDA 2012 ಇಂದ ಸೇಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ನಂತರ ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸಹ they have taken a flat in Mantri Serenity apartment, and all of us are coming together to demand our home, which has been pending from last 8 to 10 years, and most of the people here on the call are the buyers of Mantri Serenity apartment, and they have been waiting for their home, dream home, from last many years. And then today, this is the second online demand program that we are doing. We have done something similar in May, and then this is the second one. We cancelled it because we saw some good news coming from the builder side. And the third one is this today's program is being organized to demand our home that has been pending for quite some time, and also request Mantri management and landowners and the lenders to accelerate the stress fund which is being granted by central government, so that buyers are not getting impacted, right? So that's the overall context of today's meeting. With blessings of Lord Krishna, we want to start off this program, and I request Madam to start off the program today with Sri Krishna Bhajanam, and then we'll start the session. Yeah, Madam, handing over to you.
Good evening. अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम् कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं, तुम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं। अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरम् रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम्। कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं, वीर शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं। अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरम् राम नारायणं जानकी वल्लभम् कौन कहते हैं भगवान सोते नहीं, माँ यशोदा के जैसे सुलाते नहीं। अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरम् राम नारायणं जानकी वल्लभम् कौन कहते हैं भगवान नाचते नहीं, गोपियों की तरह तुम नचाते नहीं। अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरम् राम नारायणं जानकी वल्लभम् राम नारायणं जानकी वल्लभम् राम नारायणं जानकी वल्लभम्।
Thank you, madam. Thanks a lot. Bhagavantana kripe ellar melu irli. Request Chandrasekhar sir to not to share. I'm stopping the share. Please don't share anything. Right now I'm controlling the panel. Thanks a lot, madam, for the wonderful song. And Bhagavantana kripe, Shri Krishnana kripe ellar melu irli ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸಹ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಮಗದೊಮ್ಮೆ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನ ಕೋರ್ತಾ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಶುರು ಮಾಡೋಣ. I will cancel the spotlight from madam. Okay, so ಸುಮಾರು 54 ಜನ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಇದು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ so I have to make some declaration here, and the group people who are joining here are all the buyers of Mantri Serenity project getting developed by Mantri developers. People who are watching online, no problem, but people who are participating in Zoom, I'm assuming you're all the owners or stakeholders or having GPA holders or families of Mantri Serenity project. And I request, if anybody wants to speak, they have to be a owner, otherwise this platform is not for them. And we don't want this platform to be used by somebody else for their own personal gains, right? So that's the disclaimer that I wanted to make. And if anybody who's not a owner or not associated with Mantri Serenity with respect to property is concerned, I request people to leave this forum, and then you can watch out in Facebook, but not in this forum. If you want to be a speaker, you need to be a valid owner to express your concern. So today's program is basically organized to express as a owner what is our feelings and what are our anxiety that we are all carrying from last 8 to 10 years. And ಒಂದು ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ಟೋದು ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅನ್ ಈಸಿ ಜಾಬ್. right? We have to purchase a site and then get registered and approach some builder to get constructed our home, and then all looking at all of those possibilities and complexities involved. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಗಾದೆ ಇದೆ, ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ನೋಡು ಮದ್ವೆ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಆ ಒಂದು ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ಟುವ ಕಷ್ಟಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ದೂರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲೀಸು ಇವತ್ತು ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸಮುಚ್ಚಮಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಈ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಮುಂಬೈನಲ್ಲಿ, ಪುಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಡೆಲ್ಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಕಡೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧಿಯನ್ನ ಹೊಂದಿದೆ. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಅಂತ ನಗರಕ್ಕೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ನ್ಯೂ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ 10-15 years or 20 years ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಲ್ಚರ್. ಮುಂಚೆ ವಠಾರ ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ, ಬಟ್ ಈಗ ಮಾಡರ್ನ್ ವಠಾರ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಗಳಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. ಜೊತೆನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಮಂತ್ರಿ ಸೆರೆನಿಟಿ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ, ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೈಯರ್ಸ್ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾದ ಕಾರಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಕನಕಪುರ ರೋಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ, ಮೇನ್ ರೋಡ್ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ, ಮಂತ್ರಿ ಮಾಲ್ ಎದುರುಗಡೆ, ಮಂತ್ರಿ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಮೆಟ್ರೋ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಎದುರುಗಡೆ, ಇಸ್ಕಾನ್ ಟೆಂಪಲ್, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್, ಇಸ್ಕಾನ್ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಮನೆಯನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಹ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಬೈಯರ್ಸ್, ಮಿಡಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲೀಸ್ ಈ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಪ್ರಕಾರ. ಜೊತೆನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಜನ ವಯೋವೃದ್ಧರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಸಿಟಿಸನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಆಸೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಭಗವಂತನ ಸನ್ನಿಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೊನೆಯ ದಿನಗಳನ್ನ 60 ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ, ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಸಿಟಿಸನ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ರಿಟೈರ್ಡ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಏನಂತಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಗಳನ್ನ ಅಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗಾಗ್ಲೇ ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಉಳಿದ ದಿನಗಳನ್ನ ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮ ಜೀವನವನ್ನ ನಡೆಸಬೇಕು, ಸ್ಪಿರಿಚುವಲ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಡೆಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಭಗವಂತನ ಸನ್ನಿಧಿ ಹತ್ರ ಮನೆಯನ್ನ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಇಸ್ಕಾನ್ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಮನೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಮನೆಯನ್ನ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ತಮ್ಮ PF ಮತ್ತೆ ಗ್ರಾಚ್ಯುಟಿ ಹಣ ಬಂದಿರೋಂತ ಹಣ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಹಣವನ್ನ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸಹ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು, ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ವುಮೆನ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಈ ಬೈಯರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನಾವು ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಸಿದ್ವಿ. ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಹಣವನ್ನ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಯಂಗ್ಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ 25-30 ವರ್ಷದವರು ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ಮದ್ವೆ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರುಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ತಮ್ಮ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪರಿಸರದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೆಸಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಮಹದಾಶೆಯಿಂದ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಯಾರ ಆಸೆಗಳು ಸಹ ಇನ್ನೂ ನೆರವೇರಿಲ್ಲ. 2010ರಿಂದ ಆಸೆಗಳನ್ನೇ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು, ಕನಸುಗಳನ್ನೇ ಕಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಮ್ ಬೈಯರ್ಸ್ ಜೀವನವನ್ನ ನಡೆಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬರೀ ಕನಸುಗಳು ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಜೊತೆನಲ್ಲಿ EMI ಕೂಡ ಕಟ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ದೇರ್ ಆಲ್ ಪೇಯಿಂಗ್ EMIs ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದೇರ್ ಡ್ರೀಮ್ಸ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಆ ಒಂದು ಕನಸು ಜೊತೆನಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಬರ್ಡನ್ ಕೂಡ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಕೆಲವೊಬ್ರು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆಪ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, ದೇ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಜಾಬ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ದಿ ಹೌಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ದೇರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿನಲ್ಲಿ 8-10 ವರ್ಷ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಗವರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ, ಸರ್ಕಾರದಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಫಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಕೊಡುಗೆಯನ್ನ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ನರೇಂದ್ರ ಮೋದಿ ಅವರ ಸರ್ಕಾರ, ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಈ ತರಹ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಗಳು ಯಾವುದು 60-70% ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯೋ, ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಕಾರಣ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ನೇನೇ ಕಾರಣ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾವ ಕಾರಣದಿಂದ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೋ ಆ ಬೈಯರ್ಸ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್ಕಾರದಿಂದ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಫಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಫಂಡ್ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಅದೃಷ್ಟನ ಏನೋ, ಮಂತ್ರಿ ಸೆರೆನಿಟಿ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ನವರಿಗೆ ಈ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಫಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸಹ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 2 weeks ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ನಿರ್ಮಲಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರು ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತಹ
About new time, I have written it already.
You wrote, somebody has replied. let him finish the statement. Kannada, he is giving the statement for local news.
So I request everyone to be on mute. And stress fund, it has been released by central government, and it's been like 4 months or 3 to 4 months. It's already been passed, and the stress fund has been given in the interest of the home buyers, because thousands of families have been suffered because of non-completion of the projects in Bangalore or whatever states or whatever the cities in India. Central government has given a boon to all the home buyers, and it's almost like 3 to 4 months the allotment is being happened. But unfortunately, still we don't have any commitment, still we don't have any timeline by the developer side. Yes, we have got the sanction letter and we completed from our side, and we are going to start the project, and we don't see any commitment so far. And stress fund is a very, very important, very, very powerful, very, very helpy hand the central government is giving to all the home buyers. So through this platform, what we are trying to do is to request the builders, request the landowners, request the lenders who have invested like buyers to accelerate your process, accelerate your documentation procedures, accelerate your way of working as if you are fighting a war to safeguard the interest of the home buyers. So a request from all the home buyers who are participating here and who are watching online, a request from all of us to Mantri developers, a request to the lenders, a request to the landowners of this property. Please accelerate the documentation process. Please accelerate your commitment. Please restart the work. So with this tagline, our objective of home buyers is to demand our home, which has been pending from last 8 to 10 years, restart the work at site. And Mantri Developers is being one of the branded developing company in Bangalore, not only in Bangalore, across India and across the world. There are multiple branches of Mantri Developers across the world. And we know you guys can do it. We have confidence in you to deliver this. But unfortunately, whatever is the reason, it is not happening from long years. So we request, please expedite your stress fund process. Please talk to your stakeholders and talk to your lenders, talk to landowners, and complete the documentation process, and please restart the work. So our ambitions, our dreams are stuck, our families are stuck, our finances are stuck, and all our aspirations, the commitment that we have made to our families have been stuck. So we request you, all the stakeholders in this, please get the work done. So this is the only request that we have from this forum. And I request this is myself, Dhananjaya, and I just want to share my screen in terms of the PPT that I have prepared. Once, just hold on. So I just wanted to take you through some of the aspects of Mantri Buyers as a company, and let me know if this is visible to you all. So as I told you, the preference will be given to speakers who have already nominated in the past. And I am one of the genuine home buyers of this project, which I have booked in the month of October 2013. And the committed handover date to me in writing given by Mantri Developers was October 2016. And almost invested close to 70 lakhs, 69 lakhs already paid to them. And then I'm already incurring almost 26 lakhs of interest. If I would have kept the same amount of money as the slabs was completed, I would have got almost 26 lakhs as interest, and the total investment from my side as an individual is almost like 95 lakhs. Mantri Developers, please understand, this is a huge money. From last 16 years, I have saved my earnings to get a home, and the project is stalled and my dreams have been stalled. And we are planning to inform the authorities, and the parties agreements is in place are Mantri Castles Private Limited and Gokulam Shelters. And the parties involved in JDA are Gokulam Shelters, Landmasters Realtors, ISKCON Charities, India Heritage Trust, which is India Heritage Foundation. These are the parties involved in executing the joint development agreement in 2010. And we have paid money through checks to Mantri Casuals Private Limited and request all the stakeholders. I think there are multiple other lenders also involved. We request the landowners, we request on behalf of myself and my family, and we request you guys to please expedite your stress fund process. Please complete, please start the work and hand over the keys to us. We have a lot of hopes. We still trust you, Mantri developers, and we still trust ISKCON Charities. We still trust Gokulam Shelters, and we still trust Landmasters Realtors Private Limited and India Heritage Trust. Please do not spoil our trust, and please do not spoil our dreams. And I have been working as a director in one of the MNC companies and been a social activist from last 15 years and founders of multiple NGOs in Bangalore and an environmental activist and a writer and a, editor of a book, and worked and solved many problems through debates in TVs, and also organized a lot of blood donors in the past, and I've been an active social uh, entrepreneur in this area. And we really, lot of buyers are from multiple backgrounds, and through buyers only you can excel your projects. We request monthly developers through this platform, please expedite your stress fund release process. Talk to your stakeholders. If any help is required, please take the buyer's help, and then please hand over the home as early as possible. We want to see a ray of hope by restarting the work as early as possible, as committed by the monthly management to the buyers. So with this note, so I want to hand over to our next speaker, Mr. Chandrasekhar sir, to talk about his experience and his thoughts about how he has invested, and let us listen to him. And one of the important aspects that he already registered the flat in 2015 itself, and he is one of the senior citizen who retired as a senior superintendent in NGF Bangalore, one of the most person in our monthly buyers forum Bangalore. And Sir Chandrasekhar sir, handing over to you. Chandrasekhar sir, you're there? Chandrasekhar sir, I think you're speaking on mute.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, we can hear you, sir. Please go ahead.
Okay. Yeah, after my retirement, I saved my retirement amount, and of course, I borrowed some amount. And yes, I wanted to have this 2 BHK very nearby in Kanakpura Road. As as you already mentioned that this particular place where this ISKCON temple is coming up, all those this thing was impressed. So having seen this monthly developers advertisement and their many uh, uh, plans and all that, I was impressed and I invested. And initially during December 2012, I made some initial payment, and later on by March 2013, I paid complete amount. And of course, as per the agreement, they are about to hand over this by December 2015. So accordingly, they registered. Sale deed was done during September 2015, and they told me that you will be getting your possession. And unfortunately, after learning that there is no uh, project which is going on, and I will not be getting that flat by December 2015, I was really shocked, and I had an heart attack by end of September. And then I was admitted to the hospital. I was there in the hospital, and after recovery, I straight away went to the monthly owners and asked them, so what is this going on? They said, not to worry, you will get your apartment. I will make arrangement and all that. So I went with my family and the two daughters. They assured me that you will get your flat or we will refund the amount. From that time onwards, I was pursuing. Uh, from 2015 onwards, I was pursuing. Unfortunately, they did not do so. What I mean to say is they did not uh, deliver the flat or they never returned the money. That was my this thing, and I was put into a very awkward situation. And see, with so many commitments and all that, with so much of difficulty, when I had paid money, they did this. It was a great shock to me. And in spite of my follow-up from 2050, they have never come with a solution. Either they have not given me the plot or refunded the amount. I was put into a very, very difficult situation. I met Mrs. Nehal Mantri and Sushil Mantri and all the others, but no use. That was my plight, and from that time onwards, have been suffering. This attitude of monthly developers was not expected. They had this very, very great advertisements and all sorts of big this thing, assurances, which they never kept up. And I hope the same thing happened to many of the senior citizens whom I know in this group, and they have also experienced this. And they were also mentioning that we never expected that monthly developers will do like this. This was my experience, a bitter experience, I should say. Having a big name, having taken so many awards, President Award and all that, they boast of themselves as a very big builders, and they also make some this thing stating that we are doing social work and all that. The social work, what they do, is only a fake thing, I should say, because the money what we have paid is used for some sort of social work that is simply stunt, I should say. This should not have been done by them. They should understand the plight of all the people, especially people who are senior citizens like me. And of course, youngsters are also taking lots of loans from different banks. They are also paying free EMI. And you see, many job loss is there under the present situations. Many have lost jobs. Even I helped my daughter to um, invest here. So she also invested here, and she is also suffering. She's, of course, taking me to task. Why did you advise me to invest here? So that is the great difficulty. I hope the same thing is happening to others. Now that the Government of India has sanctioned stress fund, which they should make use of it. They should grab it. The problems which they have with their own stakeholders like ISKCON or Piramal or whatever it is their lookout to solve all this by themselves. They should not pinpoint to any other buyers. It is not the buyer's problem. Buyers have already paid the amount, nearly for about 2,000 flats, nearly 2,000 flats. Many home buyers have already paid money. That money is with them. I don't know whether they are still having that money or they must have utilized it for some purposes. This mismanagement should not have been done. Uh, all said and done, now we have got that stress fund. Let them make use of that stress fund, and whatever the problems are there with their own stakeholders, let them solve it and let them expedite. And the most of the work which they have incompleted, let them complete it, and let them hand over the flats to all the home buyers. And of course, whatever problem is there, we have to undergo. See, I'm struggling like anything. For example, Mr. Shantaram Prabhu and others are also have invested, and they are also facing the same problem like me. We have met Mr. Snehal Mantri and Sushil Mantri any number of times. They were assuring, like, we will do this, that, and all that. They were giving different dates, and of course, they have failed miserably. This attitude of Mantri developers is never expected, and now this Chief Customer Relations Officer, Mr. Rakesh Sood, has been introduced, and he is giving different dates, and of course, he is trying to convince all the home buyers that we will definitely complete the flats and it will be handed over soon. This is a most generalized statement, and they must stick on to whatever the dates that they assume, and they must complete it at the earliest. And now the State Bank of India CAPS fund, the sanction, this thing was shown to us during somewhere around March. And from March onwards, they have been dragging on and dragging on for so many reasons. Whatever may be the reasons, they should solve it by themselves. They must expedite and complete the project and hand it over to us. That's all I can say. Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot, Chandrasekhar sir.
Yes.
I think you are one of the senior most buyer in our group, and you have been experiencing a lot of problems, lot of issues, and the final request from your side is also to expedite. Give us the keys, give us our home, give us our hope. So with that
Yes.
note, thanks a lot, Chandrasekhar, for speaking on this platform and then expressing your
Thank you.
details. And then also I request Mr. JT Ravi sir, if he's online. JT Ravi sir, are you there? JT Ravi sir?
Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, please go ahead, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
1 second. So I'm trying to find your. It's
It will be
Radhika.
Radhika Jaya. It's my daughter's number.
Okay,
Phone
okay,
she
okay.
uses for
We'll
class.
make you the spotlight. Hold on. Can you start the video, sir? I will make you the spotlight.
1 minute.
Can you
Sir.
switch on the video? Yeah, I think still Chandrasekhar sir is coming.
Recording is there, but I'm unable to.
Start the video. So let me ask to start the video. So you need to unmute your video.
It is unmuted already.
So it's not, sorry, not unmuted video. You need to put it on.
It's not getting on. Okay, sir. Please bring somebody. By that time, I'll get back to you.
Okay, sure. So I think we had 3 committed speakers for today, and I think there is one lady wanted to speak. Aparna ma'am, you want to start off? Aparna ma'am. Aparna ma'am, you need to unmute and okay. JT sir, you are able
Yes,
to
sir.
fix? Yeah, you're able to fix it.
No, it's not coming up. I am trying, but it's not getting on. I think that somewhere from your end it might not have released.
No, I think for everyone you can unmute. You can put the video on. So I'm asked to start the video.
But
Okay,
I'm pressing it, it's not going through.
no problem. Carry on, sir.
Okay, sir. First of all, good evening to everybody. So thank you for giving me an opportunity to talk in this forum. So in the year of 2010, so we booked the flat in Mantri Tranquil, but not in the Mantri Serenity. It's almost 10 years now. So there we went and saw the uh, Tranquil apartment. So then we thought, okay, it's the best place to do it. Then even ISKCON is also nearby. Then we waited for 3 years almost, and they said that the L block is not coming up there. Then they said, okay, the L block is not coming up. Why don't you move to some other locations, Web City and other places? Then finally we decided to move to Serenity. So in the year of 2013, month of October, we moved to Serenity. So we thought that we will get a very good place to stay nearby ISKCON, near to the main road and approachable to most of the uh, places like Jainagar or whichever other locations. But unfortunately, after seeing so many years, they did not deliver to us. The apartment, they said that they will deliver before 2017 December. And they said, and when we approached them many times, they said, okay, we will do it now. But they kept on giving the dates for more than a year, 2 years, 3 years. Now almost from 2016, 17 until now, that's year 2020. We are in the month of August. They are giving the dates, but nothing is coming up. And we have paid nearly 67 plus lakhs for 2-bedroom house in R block 11th floor. But unfortunately, I don't know what to say. So everybody is going through the same pain, that we are also in the same boat. But the Mantri should understand that whatever the money is taken by the home builders, buyers, they should provide the flats to each and every person. But it is getting slipped like anything. And finally, we came to know that they do not have the money, but we can't go back and say that you don't have the money. You please come up and do something. They try. They are trying. We hope that they are trying, but the result is nothing. And we are not getting the flats at all. And finally, thanks to central government of India, that they have come up with the stress fund, and the stress fund has approved in the month of January or March at the end. And they should, from past 5-6 months, they are trying to complete the paperwork. I don't know where they are stuck. They are started blaming one by one or the other. As of today, end of the day today, that is 11th August 2020, that's a Janmashtami day. They're saying that, okay, we will not, today also it is not done. I don't know where it's going to end. So we are going through a pain here. So we should request Mantri to please hand over our flat so that we will go there and stay and spend our lifetime there. And in fact, we have an 8-year-old child that she also very fond of Krishna. And once we said that, oh, it's next to Krishna temple. Oh, wow, Appa, you are mummy and daddy, Appa, Amma, you are getting a flat near to the Krishna temple. Oh, it's very nice. First, she was reluctant to go there, but she said now after saying that nearby temple, then she agreed that, okay, when we are moving, we are telling them, we are telling her that, okay, we will get it today, and the Mantri is going to give it to us. But unfortunately, I don't know what answer I can give to my daughter. So that's the thing. happening as of now. So really we request Mantri team to come up and complete the job paperwork and get the money sanctioned, get money get released and complete the project and hand over the flat to us. And not like me, there are many people are going through the same pain. I
Yeah.
think
Yeah,
I would like
yeah.
to leave my
Thanks a lot,
input now.
JT Ravi sir. I think that's one of the important aspect that you brought in. You have invested a very long time, and your request to Mantri is also the same as other home buyers.
Correct,
Stress
sir.
fund, whatever the central government has given to us as a home buyers, is a wonderful boon, and we request Mantri and ISKCON and other stakeholders, whoever is the lenders to this project, please understand one thing: we have only 60 to 70% completed, and rest 30 to 40% still need to be sold. And if the project is not starting, it's going to be a waste of money for every one of us. And please understand, Mantri developers and its allied partners, please expedite stress fund process and get us our home. So we have a lot of senior buyers joining in with a lot of expertise in the area who have been talking to multiple owners and then multiple stakeholders and multiple senior level management in Mantri, and then also kind of guiding a lot of initiatives to ensure that we achieve one objective of getting a home. So I request Dwarkanath sir to enlighten all of us here, and he's one of our senior most buyer who's been guiding a lot of senior buyers and then a lot of initiatives to move the stress fund in a positive direction. So we want Dwarkanath sir to update what is actually the stress fund is all about, and the central government has announced the stress fund, and why Mantri developers, and need not be only developers, right? Since we are talking about only Mantri developers, because most of the buyers here are all Mantri Serenity buyers. So what are the challenges builder, landowner and the lenders will encounter, and why can't all these three guys sitting together in a room and then decide on the percentage of profit sharing, whatever is the number that they are anticipating to get the business, get the profit out of this project. And we understand that all builders, all entrepreneurs will invest their resources, invest their money to make money, right? It's a business. But home buyers, it is not a business. Home is for a different reason. And why can't all these stakeholders come sit together and complete their process in the interest of their own business, not only in the interest of home buyers but also in the interest of their own business? Why can't all three sit together in a meeting room, close the tripartite agreements, close whatever the differences they have, close the financial terms and conditions, and let the stress fund be on the table in the interest of buyers, in the interest of builders, in the interest of landowners, in the interest of lenders? Dwarkanath sir, can you please enlighten us? Dwarkanath sir, I think you are speaking on mute. Hello, Dwarkanath sir? Okay, I think Dwarkanath sir has got some problem with his networking connectivity. He's not able to speak. Do we have Vasudeva sir on the call? Vasudeva sir?
Vasudeva Adiga.
Yeah, Vasudeva Adiga sir. Yeah. Okay, I think before both Vasudeva Adiga sir and Dwarkanath sir. Oh, Idira sir. Okay, go ahead sir. Hello, who is this speaking? Hello. Request buyers who are not speaking to be on mute. We can hear a lot of husband-wife galata happening. I know because of Mantri, a lot of fights are happening at home between husband and wife. At least we are on live. Let's not show it on the screen. We can hear the voice of fighting happening. So anybody else want to speak? I think Dwarkanath sir, I think Vasudeva sir has got issues in networking. Both of them are unable to unmute themselves. So anybody, the platform is open. I request whoever wants to speak, please mention your name and your booking flat number or booking date of your year of agreements, and then your experiences, and then we'll summarize and we'll request
Okay.
Chandrasekhar sir not to share.
Hello.
Okay. Yeah, Rajiv sir, go ahead.
Yeah. Good evening, everyone. I'm Dr. Rajiv Janardhanan. I am based out of Noida, and I work for a private university called Amity University. I'm a professor there. I acquired my flat in 2013. And as is the experience of my previous speakers, I was told that by December 2016 or early January first quarter of January 2017, the flat would be handed over. But we haven't reached that point. Now the question is, the discussions are meandering to the same thing that, okay, we have had a horrendous experience with Mantri. Now, how do we use this social platform to take this protest further? How can we all unite together? Is there a way by which we do it? I mean, we should look at proactive actions as home bonus. Okay, before I tell anything, I have bought the flat L202 way back in 2013. And like most of the owners, I have also paid 100% amount for the flat. And I'm still staying in Noida because of my occupation. Now, how do we take this forward? What are the strategies because that would be of use to all the people who are in this platform. Otherwise, the grievances of most of the owners is the same. So how are we going to, what are the strategies being adopted by the group? Is there a case? Is there a civil action or criminal action? What exactly is the strategy? That is what we are interested in hearing about, rather than simply repeating the same thing again. Thank you.
Okay.
I would rest my case.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Dr. Rajiv sir. I think you brought a very important aspect. As most of us are all sailing the same boat, and all of us are in the same journey, right? And it is important for all of us to understand what the stress fund is all about, and what is the importance of this. This platform is to enlighten the home buyers, and we know that for whatever reason Mantri developers is unable to complete the project. The project has been stalled for last almost 1.5 years to 2 years now. There's no much work happening in the site, and the grievances, I think as an individual, each one of us must have reached out to Mantri developers to complain and expedite the process. But unfortunately, we don't know exactly what is the status of their financials, because they claim they are one of the big brands in the world. And even having a big brand name and a big bank asset, what is the reason for them to not to complete the project from last many years is a big question. Frankly speaking, as a home buyers, we don't have any clue about that. But what actions that we can take, there are multiple channels. I think many buyers who are participating here and who are not participating here, some of them have filed a case in RERA. Some of them have filed a case in Delhi in Consumer Court. And some of the people who are in the process of filing RERA case or Consumer Court case, and the legal actions are on the way. Right, so the legal action is already on the way. But what is important for all of us through this social media platform is to enlighten the buyers, and then also put a pressure on the builders and the landowners in this case, and as well as is with ISKCON charities, or it could be landowners, realtors, Gokulam shelters, whoever parties who are involved in signing the joint development agreement. And there are unseen lenders in the back end who also have invested in this project, right? So stress fund, the fundamental idea of the central government releasing a stress fund, and we are fortunate as a Mantri home buyers, Mantri Serenity home buyers, that our project has been selected for getting a stress fund from the central government of India. We should be thankful to our Prime Minister for considering our case, and a lot of effort has been put by some of the home buyers and Mantri as a builders and his stakeholders to get the sanction letter. And as per our understanding, let me quote, as per our understanding, the sanction letter must have released in the month of February or March. There are set of documentations, there are set of list. The government must have advised SBI CAPS to validate and then take the documentation accordingly. And that documentation process is not completed by these stakeholders, predominantly the landowners, builders, and the lenders. So here, when I say lenders, it's a private lenders whom Mantri has engaged for the financing purpose. So all the three guys has to understand the importance of stress fund, and it has come as a rescue for the builders, it come as a rescue for the home buyers, it come as a rescue to lenders as well. And it's a crores and crores of rupees the lenders must have invested, and we have invested lakhs and lakhs of rupees of our investment. Mantri has invested their brand, but all these three tri-parties need to understand this pain of home buyers and then come to a conclusion and expedite the process. So that is the main objective of this social media campaigns, social media demand for homes, social media demand for restarting the work, and then put a pressure on Mantri developers. And please understand, Mantri developers and lenders, your business is also at risk. If home buyers are not happy, if the people who have put their hard-earned money are not happy, they will definitely going to inform to their friends, their colleagues, their family members, and their connects. And the people here who are invested are not just an employee of a company. They are associated with multiple NGOs. They are associated with multiple social media initiatives. They are associated with a lot of governing authorities and authoritative positions they are in. And if they start informing their relatives, if they start informing their friends, their colleagues, their connects, even if one buyer informs to 500 people, imagine the amount of information that will be shared, right? Please understand the lenders. I wanted to quote once again, I don't want to take the names. Whoever is the lender who has invested, please understand this. Whoever is the landowner, please understand this. Whoever is the builder, Mr. Mantri, we know all of us, please understand this. Your business is also at equally risk at the same time as home buyers' money. Please don't give us a gyan about, don't do social media campaigns, don't do inform your friends about Mantri and all. Please understand, people will tell what is the truth. And whatever the nataks anybody do, ultimately the truth will prevail. You can't write the business with false commitments. Let me quote it once again. You can't write the business. You can't run the business with false commitment to your own customers. And this is an open request to Mantri developers, is landowners, and the lenders. Please understand, your businesses are also at huge risk at the same time as home buyers' money as well. The stress fund is a boon from the central government. Thanks to Narendra Modi ji, thanks to our Prime Minister of India, who has been selected this project and then giving a Varadan on Krishna Janmashtami. Please take it forward. All three of you sit together, understand the pain, and then come to a conclusion and then close the deal. Please expedite for your own benefit. Please expedite for your own brand. Please expedite. We have a huge respect for ISKCON Charities, who is one of the landowners of this JDA, who has signed joint development agreement. And we believe the ISKCON Charities is been well known to the entire world. We believe Mantri Serenity has been known to the entire world. We believe the lenders who are invested, we know them, who are the investors, but we want to give them a online request to all of you guys. Please sit together, exercise and consume the stress fund, and exercise and support the home buyers to take the stress fund. So I will hand it over to other buyers who wants to speak. That's the main intention, sir. I think hope the intentions are clear. And what steps I have explained, what steps so far we have taken, and what are the further steps we will discuss as a team. Social media home buyers team, we have a wonderful Zoom platform. Whatever actions we take, we are discussing as a team, we are discussing as one group, and then actions is being taken. And as part of the action is concerned, so there are 35 to 40 home buyers already informed our Bangalore South Member of Parliament and Honorable Respectable Tejasvi Suryaji through an email, and a lot of people have informed to our respectable Chief Minister of Karnataka, Sri Yediyurappa ji. And in the past, we have informed to our Housing Minister, Sri Somanna ji, through an email. So we are trying to inform the government authorities. We are trying to inform to our leaders whom we have voted, assuming that they will help us. And we believe in our young leader, Sri Tejasvi Suryaji, and unfortunately, 1 week he is not in town. So we were planning to meet him in person. And because of this COVID conditions, we are unable to meet and give a memorandum. But 35 to 40 buyers already informed through email, already sent an email to our Honorable MP, Sri Tejasvi Suryaji. And we are confident on our MP that he will take some action. And we are confident that he will advise the Mantri developers, he will advise the ISKCON, he will advise the lenders who were involved not to delay further stress fund process, not to delay home buyers handing over home. And we are confident about that. These are some of the actions so far we have taken. And we are going to have another meeting on August 15th on Independence Day as a team. And we are going to take a very, very strategic decision. And probably we are thinking to have a in-person, a real protest in front of Mantri Serenity with police permissions, with the required authorities permissions in place. We are all living in a very, very different world. And at this juncture, we request the Commissioner of Bangalore permission also to, if at all, if you want to do a protest, say as per the new COVID guidelines, we have to look at what are the permissible events and what are the guidelines that been ruled out. So based on all those conditions, there are serious plans being planned by the home buyers. So that is why we are all requesting Mantri developers, the landowners and the lenders, please expedite your process, or else from September onwards, you will see a real protest happening. And then after that, all the legal process, we have to respect our legal procedures and whatever is required to be done to safeguard the interest of our home buyers' money, their hard-earned money. We are all going to take, and then we are going to proceed as we discuss in our team. So it's not going to be individual approach, it's going to be team approach, sir, to answer to your question. So we will have a team meeting on 15th August, and we see the progress after this event, and then based on that we will take a call. And then if something is not moving by end of this month, there was some commitment given by the Mantri management when we wrote an email to them that they are anticipating stress fund to be released, and then they are starting the project by end of this month. There was some commitment given by Mantri management. So if that commitment is not happening, if the work is not starting by end of this month, so a real protest will definitely happen in front of the Mantri office for the interest of home buyers. It's all our hard-earned money. We cannot keep quiet. And central government is supporting home buyers. The state government is supporting home buyers. But unfortunately, our builders are not supporting home buyers. And that is the message we wanted to pass it on to them. And this is what the action plans that we are planning, sir. So hope you got your answer. So I request some other buyers, Shamla ma'am, you want to speak your experiences, and then what do you think should be our course of action? Yeah, Shamla ma'am or anybody else. So we, by the way, all the requested speakers, we are done with your list, and anybody now, it is an open forum for next 15 minutes. So the program will end by 10:30 or so, and conclusion remarks we will make at the end. And the platform is open. I request only genuine home buyers to speak. This is a platform for you to speak. Please go ahead.
Yeah, I can go ahead. Can you hear me?
Sorry, who is speaking, sir? I will make you a spotlight.
Yeah, I'm just raising my hands.
1 second. Rajiv has raised. Just 1 second. I will go to.
My name is Tanigai Veludi.
1 second. Oh, Tangai Veludi, right? Okay.
That's correct.
Okay. Yeah. Go ahead, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So my name is Tanigai Velu, and I am one of the home buyer from Serenity, from K Block 1904. That's my number. And as like the previous team, like they've spoken, I also bought and booked it in 2013 and registered the house in 2016 and spent same money as much as 85 lakhs. And it was supposed to be handed over in 2016, and we are in 2020. And a lot of things happened. And finally, like as like many others told, the dreams of the self, family, and parents, everything has been shattered. And we are no longer living in our own house. And whatever promise we have given as leads in the family to our family members and their children, so nothing we were able to fulfill. I think we are in this sad situation, and without even knowing like when the house is going to be ready, and finally when are we going to move. Absolutely, like nothing is clear in front of us, and days and months and years have passed. And so we have requested Mantri, and we have pleaded Mantri to get the house ready as per the commitments what he gave to us. And we sat like hours and weeks in front of Mantri CRMs for many, many months and years, but nothing really moved. We are not seeing that any signs of the reconstruction is going to begin at Mantri Serenity. And this is very, very sad situation. And Mantri has got the required wealth. Definitely like Mantri builders, they've got the required wealth to do this project. And they've got the more than required experience to do this project. But only thing is, we don't see that intent converting into action to get this project done and hand over to the buyers. That's absolutely like we are not seeing that. So as home buyers, our job is not to get into this protest. We definitely wanted to peacefully move it, like take the possession and move on with the family. But how long we can also wait? There is a limit for our patience. And Mantri, as a builder, like you are making us to launch the protest, right? So we would still request you give a commitment and stick on to the commitment, and please hand over the houses to us. And for example, even if I borrow 1,000 rupees from one of our friend or a neutral person, if I don't give it back, he can definitely to the court of law, or he can lodge a complaint on me in the police. after all, for 1,000 rupees or 100 rupees, whatever be the case. And here with Mantri, we have paid 85 lakhs, hard-earned money, lifetime earnings. Everything has been given, and we are not seeing any signs of the house coming back to our hands, right? So Mantri, like as experienced people who have been the project owners, builders, we once again request you to show some signs of like building starting at the project, and give some commitment to all the home buyers that when the house will be ready and handed over to us, and we would also peacefully move. And this is our request. And when there is no commitment from Mantri, then only like we need to resort to all the other legal things, which none of us wanted to do it, but with no other commitments, like then we need to move on with that. So you still have time, a couple of more days or months. Definitely, like you need to definitely come back to us and give a commitment back to the home buyer, so that you also peacefully continue with your projects, and we will also continue with our family commitments and our professional commitments. Thank you. Back to the core team, and thank you for all the hard work that you are doing.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, sir. I think I think we are all sailing in the same boat. I think one of the important point that you have brought in is very important, sir. Mantri being one of the premier builder and one of the important builder in the industry, they're struggling to give us a home and only giving hope, right? So, and another point I wanted to bring it to the notice that the Mantri management CRM has created a Telegram group, and all the buyers communication is happening, and it is very surprising to see, even though the project is being delayed, and the core founders, Mr. Sushil and his wife Snehal Mantri, both of them, even after so much of requests from the home buyers, please address the home buyers. So we want to give a notice from online forum, the founders of Mantri developers, please understand you have taken our money. Okay, if you are not getting the point, you have taken our hard-earned money, and if you say you don't want to talk to the home buyers, that is very dangerous. You are in the service industry. If you don't want to talk to home buyers who have given you the money to develop home, that is going to be very disastrous for any service industry person. So please understand, home buyers are the people who are the customers. If anybody who says no to customer meeting is going to face a lot of challenges in the service industry. Please take it as a word of caution from the home buyers. If you're not serving home buyers, it is going to be a tough ride from the home buyers. Okay, with that note, I wanted to hand it over to Vikram sir, who raised the hand. Vikram sir, and then followed by Dwarkanath sir. I think Dwarkanath sir fixed his video problem. So I will hand over to Vikram sir, who raised it first, and then Dwarkanath sir second. Yeah, go ahead, Vikram sir.
Yeah, thank you. Actually, I wanted to bring some points which the reason I had bought Mantri Serenity is because of my parents, and my parents have been sacrificing their own lifestyles just to bring us up, right? We are from middle class family, and they sacrifice everything for us. And now is the time I wanted them to have a better lifestyle, so that they can live freely and come out in the evening. They can have their walk. They can go to the temple, and those are the reasons we booked Mantri Serenity. And believe me, when I went to my parents and asked them that, is this something I can go ahead and book? They said, Mantri is a known builder. I don't think there is any issue. You can go ahead and book the flat. That's the kind of confidence they had few years back, and for this developer. But now it seems like they are having second thoughts on whether they advise their son in a wrong manner, right? This is the impression they are getting. which is really not good for any builder. This is something, it's not easily digestible for any parent, and it's not digestible for us also, because we wanted to give them a better lifestyle than what they have sacrificed for us, but it's not happening. And as Mr. Dhananjay said, they're not even coming forward to address us and notify us that these are the things happening, and this is the timeline we are looking at, and uh, God knows what. Stress fund has been a light at the end of the tunnel for us, and we are looking forward for that to complete this project. Uh, Mantri developers, please take this opportunity. Make sure you complete this project as soon as possible. Thank you, Dhananjay.
Yeah, thanks a lot, sir. Thanks for, I think, your father's, advice. Definitely, if you consider the current situation, you may think it is wrong, but probably when he must have given the advice, probably during that time, Mantri also had a good name. Unfortunately, all of us, are on the same boat. Because of the brand and because it was closer to ISKCON and the land somewhere associated with ISKCON charities, and JDA was signed by ISKCON charities, all of us believed ISKCON, since the temple is also nearby, and we trusted Mantri, and we never checked any documentation, or we never bothered to kind of get a legal opinion. We blindly trusted the builder, we blindly trusted the landowner who is in charge, and probably that's one of the mistake of our life. But during that time, it is well-known builder, so that is why I think your father may not be a wrong person during that time, but it's our fate. But to address to our fate, probably the central government has given stress fund, and at least now, whatever is your conditions, Mantri developers, whatever your conditions, Mr. Landowner, whatever your conditions, Mr. Lender, please exercise the stress fund. Please take the stress fund forward and restart the work. So we have Dwarkanath sir who raised the hand earlier. Dwarkanath sir, you want to move on?
Hello.
Yeah, please go ahead,
Is it
Dwarkanath
okay?
sir.
It is. Yeah.
Let me put the spotlight
Sorry,
for
just
you.
my due apologies. I had some religious functions. I moved out for some time. But coming back to this issue, right away, I think now the way today it has mail has come, it has put the same state of position what we were in May. Okay, the way it has come, the mail is once again continuing with the stakeholders. What is called? There is a stalemate among the stakeholders. But who is holding this process? We don't know. Okay, I think Mr. Dhananjay has rightly mentioned. We got a sanction somewhere in February, a first sanction, preliminary sanction, and afterwards final sanction has come in March. And I was also there in January, first sanction when it has come. So they had a plenty of time to do this documentation process. I think really surprising. This is a very small amount. What they are trying is 265 crores. Okay, and it is taking a little longer time, more than what is the industry respects that. Okay, they may have some differences, but that is monthly to sort it out. In no way, home buyers should be put into this one. I think in some of the forums, it is coming. We are going to be responsible in case if there is a issue is not happening. It is not that it is their responsibility to beg, borrow, and steal. Okay. Now stress funds has come as a gold chariot from the government of India. Okay, you don't have money. At least avail the sanction amount and go ahead in doing this. What is your commitment? Perform your commitments. Okay. So, and what is your promise? Already project is delayed by 8 to 10 years for many home buyers now. It's taking too long for this one for any of the middle class families. Even the rich elite people also, they'll feel the pinch. Now the COVID conditions has worsened up, so the situation is going to be a little tough for many of us. Okay, and we are looking badly our dream homes. Okay, and I think this some of this people should know that right to home is a fundamental right. Nobody can stop that. Okay, that's nobody in the world in India can stop that. Can also approach Supreme Court to get this how it is not being performed. Okay, but there are two extreme measures. What we are looking is when there is a low-lying fruits are available. Okay, plug the fruits. Now, stress funds is sanctioned. It is there on the table. Okay, go and grab that opportunity and start doing that. Now we are not expecting any of this money to come from Mantri. Mantri don't have money. It is a zero. Okay, they are almost insolvent. They are bankrupt now today. Okay, the position is bankrupt there, so they don't have any money. So that is known now. Okay, but whatever available funds are there, please avail that. Okay, and it is all home buyers needs to demand that they need to execute come what may come. Okay, that's we don't care what is the issues. Okay, it is they need to resolve that among them among three and get it going. Now it has to be already we have delayed. Let us not delay further. We have again enough time. It is not that we have they asked month by month. Already 3 months has gone from June, July, August. August is also going now. It is September today. Today message has come. It is September. Means how long we can go on for a month-to-month rotation. Okay, I think that's why I think we need to demand how the money is sanctioned, why they are not taking. Okay, and it will not stay for a long time. Okay, SBI if it goes back, then we don't have any other alternative. Okay, and Mantri don't have any money on. So where can we go? So it is, we are going to put it streets. It is better to avail the scheme what is availed by the sent by the government. This is a gold chariot, I can say. I think nobody can deny that. It is a big boon for all of us to avail this facility and start resuming construction and get delivery of our homes. The long fight is there. It is not that it's not so easy what we are getting, but still at least a major chunk of the victory can come once we have funds. Okay, money is the king. I think whatever is there, labor problem, all those issues can be tackled at a later stage. But money has to come in now. I think that is very, very important. I think all home buyers need to, it is my kind request. It is a campaign, a clarion call to all home buyers to force Mantri to execute these documents. Okay. And we don't want to hear any of that stakeholder, this stakeholder. Okay. It is none of our business. It is their business. Okay. To do this and close this transaction. We want our homes. Okay, how it has to be done, it is their lookout. If you want, we can help them out and this one, but right away we are not taking much of this one. They had to do their role. Okay, we have done our role of giving money, and they had to do their role of construction and delivery of homes. Okay, whatever they have promised in our agreement or in the pamphlets, in the same fashion they had to deliver to us. Okay, I think it is now it is a unity and also how we need to move in a team. Okay, it is a union that is the home buyers is very critical. Okay, our action decides our fate. Okay, destiny will be decided by our action today. Okay, so how you need to do? Kindly consider yourself, take your investment into the perspective, and take how long you can fight on. Okay. People are waiting for last 8 years, and many people are in retired stage. Okay, they don't have much time to fight it out. Also, kindly see that, ensure that everybody needs to come in unity, and see that we need to get this stress fund documentation is closed as soon as possible. It is not rocket science. I'm also from the finance line. We never takes more than a week. Okay, I'm telling much bigger targets we have done, and they're all being done in a week's time. Okay, and Mantri is not new to this business. They know very well. They know what documents to be. I don't know what is the greedy partners is fighting it out. Who is fighting for what? Okay, we have given 5 times of any of the lenders, whether ISKCON or Mantri or Piramal or SBI. Okay, none of them can match. We have given 5 times of anybody's single investments. Okay, so I think it is our own our stake only. It is not somebody's stake. Okay. If somebody sells that they have stake, no, they don't have much stake more than us. They must be having 20% or 15% of our money. Okay. So I think that is how we need to go with unified action force. See that the demand for the completion of the documentation. Okay, I think I will give this one. I think
Sure.
already
Thanks a lot,
delayed.
sir. Yeah, no problem. Thanks a lot, sir.
I wish you all
And,
the best.
yeah.
Happy Janmashtami.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot for your guidance, and always as elderly senior person with a lot of experience guiding a lot of people on the forum. Thanks a lot, sir. I think one of the good important point Dwarkanath sir also highlighted was importance of a stress fund. And all three guys, if Dwarkanath sir or any expert on the call can complete the documentation process in a weeks, we really don't understand why it is taking a lot of time for the rest of the world, right? So this is a very important point that Dwarkanath sir has brought in. I think the same thing will pass on to Mantri through this forum. Sir, if anybody can do it in 1 week's time, why you are taking months to get it to complete this process? So I think there are some ladies wanted to speak. I think ma'am, you want to carry on? Yeah, go ahead, ma'am.
Yeah, good evening. A very happy Janmashtami to everyone. We have booked a flat in building I, okay, flat number 404. See, obviously we also booked the flat based on the reputation of Mantri Builders. We have seen the kind of infrastructural development they have done in Bangalore. It's really amazing. I mean, it's par excellence, you can call it, because the malls and various other structures in Bangalore, they are very good. But what we are currently experiencing is not up to the mark as the way things have gone. Our main problem is we have booked under the 2080 scheme. So obviously we have got 80% financing from the banks. Generally what happens is that any bank, when they are ready to give a loan, offer a loan, they obviously do a audit of the builders also. So in this case, we believe that all the top banks have done an audit of this particular project, and obviously of the builder also. So why is there a problem that the builder cannot satisfy the banks also? Because someone is giving a loan to the home buyers based on the criteria that the builder has fulfilled in the past. Now, when he has fulfilled that in the past for various other projects, why cannot he fulfill those criteria for Serenity also? That is the main question which I am having.
Excellent, ma'am. I think it's one of the important question. All home buyers are actually surprised and shocked with a lot of infrastructure, wonderful project which Mantri has executed in the past in Bangalore, whether it is Mantri Mall, whether it is any other buildings in Bangalore. Based on that quality of construction, we have fall in place in 2012-13. During that time, it's one of the best builder in Bangalore. And probably that's one of the reason why we also, all of us, unlike you or me or anybody else, must have invested. But unfortunately, they are undergoing, hard times now, or we are undergoing hard times. It's our bad luck or their bad luck. We don't know what is exactly the fate of all of us. But stress fund is a golden chariot, as Dwarkanath sir was mentioning. Stress fund is a golden chariot, right? So if the golden chariot is on your way, then we are really surprised, why Mantri is failed. Mantri has continuously failing to take the money on the table. So that's one of the important question each one of us should ask. Before we come to the conclusion part, Santosh sir has raised hand. So Santosh sir, you want to go ahead?
Yeah, hope you can.
I'll put you on if you are. Yeah, 1 second, sir. I will put you on spotlight. Yeah, go ahead, sir.
Yeah. So we booked our flat in C. So considering Mantri's reputation itself, I think a lot of us spoke about Mantri's reputation, and like everyone else, we are also surprised. And the other factor that I want to state is, so even though we are going through a lot of stress, the financial trouble, we tried to reach out to their CSRs and all the managers. So they kept on changing, but they have now become a thick-skinned and they are not able to understand anyone's problem. So they are just, we now are feeling like this project itself was to make money run away. Kind of thoughts are coming to our minds, and this is really not good from Mantri's perspective. And they really need to come forward and finish this project, because there are a lot of families which are getting impacted because of this, and a lot of people had hopes saying that okay, there is a good project, and based on the name we actually paid premium. So when I went for buying this apartment, a lot of thoughts, right? So why should I pay this much money when I can get a similar size apartment for almost 40% less? So, and in a better closer area within Bangalore. But we said, okay, let's look at quality of the quality and the name and things like that. So we paid premium, and we, in fact, before we sign up, we also said, saying that I'm paying premium because hope you will commit to your dates and delivery and the quality. So now we have almost paid 90% plus, which is almost 90 lakh plus, and most of us have paid almost similar money. And I don't know where the money has gone. And it's look like even though government is ready to help, but mantris are not ready to take the ownership and come forward. So this is a really bad situation. And as Dhananjay rightly said, so we have already started talking in our communities what is happening, because there are a lot of contacts. So I'm in Bangalore for almost 20 plus years, and there are a lot of contacts that we have, right? So when I bought, a lot of people were thinking to come forward and invest. Now they are kind of, oh, through this issue. So we thought Mantri was a better builder. So I don't think it is the right choice. Already not to think about Mantri. So this already the impact has started, and to change this, I think they should really come forward. The lot of pains that every family is going through, and they don't want to listen to any of their pains. And now that is the reason we are all talking over here on the digital media. And as Dhananjay rightly said, so we will not hesitate to take our placard and stand in front, and then make every social media community and things like that visible and put some pressure. So unfortunately, we have come to a state where we have to put some pressure for these people to come forward. And basically, if they complete, they will only make money, right? So that is the issue. And then with this, our apartment was due in February 2019. And till now, there is no proper communication. When we call, nobody gives the right information, always given a false information and false commitments. And when we go back, they don't honor for their own commitments. And when we go back again, the person himself is changed. So they have changed at least 4 times, different individuals. Every time new individual comes in, oh, I am a new guy, so don't worry, I will look into this issue. And then he takes another 6 months. So like this, simply they are buying time and nothing is happening. So this is really alarming and concerning for the size of the project, and after even taking that money. So I hope they will listen to this and we move forward with it. Thanks, Dhananjay. I just wanted to let that.
Yeah. Sure. Thanks a lot, sir. I think all of us are in the same boat with respect to as a home buyer. And with that remark, I think today is Sri Krishna Janmashtami. I just want to summarize and a few points I wanted to kind of summarize on this platform, and then pass on the message to Mantri developers. Is that Mantri, please understand that we are all undergoing a lot of stress. We are all undergoing a lot of dreams unfulfillment in front of our families. We have given hopes to our families that we will take our families into a better place. We have given hopes to our kids that we will ensure that you have a better environment to play around. You will have better environment, better facilities for you. We all of us come from very, very different backgrounds, and then with a lot of commitment that we have made in the past, and then a lot of savings that we have made, and with a lot of aspirations that we have, please do not spoil it. And it's almost like 8 to 10 years that we have already undergoing a lot of stress, and a lot of these people are already at the final stage of their life. A lot of people are at 78. It is very unfortunate to see in one of the telegram note saying that I'm at a 77 age, and then in a Mantri side he's saying you will get your home at the 78th age, right? So frankly speaking, in this current world, we want everyone to live a happier life. And then whenever we see that our investment, our savings is not in a safe hand, that is when we started getting tensions. So with this note, I wanted to summarize the points. So there are a lot of people on Facebook, a lot of people are watching, and to summarize, I want to take a note. ಸೊ ಮಂತ್ರಿ ಡೆವಲಪರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟದಿಂದ ಹಣವನ್ನ ಸಂಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ನಂಬಿದೀವಿ. ಇಸ್ಕಾನ್ ಚಾರಿಟೀಸ್ ನ ನಂಬಿದೀವಿ. ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಡೆವಲಪರ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ 1 second, just to summarize. So whatever we have invested in your Mantri project. Whatever savings we have invested. ನಮ್ಮ ಹಣ ಮನೆ ತಗೊಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೀ ಹಣ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆಗಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಆಸ್ಪಿರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಕನಸಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕನಸನ್ನ ಒಡಿಬೇಡಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಹಣದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಡಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಹಣಕ್ಕೆ ಬಡ್ಡಿ ಸಮೇತ ನಮಗೆ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮನೆಯನ್ನ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಕೊಡುವುದರ ಮೂಲಕ. ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ವಯಸ್ಕರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಹಣಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಲೆ ಕೊಡಿ, ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಟೈಮಿಗೆ ಬೆಲೆ ಕೊಡಿ. ನಿಮ್ ಹತ್ರ ಇವಾಗ ಯಾಕೆ ದುಡ್ಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಅಧಿಕಾರ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು 95% ಇಂದ 100% ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ ನಿಮ್ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಅಷ್ಟು ಹಣ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಸಹ ನಿಮ್ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ಟಕ್ಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಶೋಸ್ ಹೌ caliber you are, that shows how incompetent you are. Whatever is the case, we will leave it to the judgment of the industry. We will leave it to the judgment of the home buyers who want to invest further in this project. So we have invested our money. We want a return as a home from your side. If you are unable to deliver a home, please return back our money with interest. So this is the sincere request from all of us. If you don't have the capability, if you are unfit to deliver our home, please return back our money with interest. So this is the request we wanted to make. And please talk to your stakeholders, please talk to your landowners, please talk to your lenders, and consume the golden chariot, as Darkwanath sir was mentioning. The stress fund has been given as a golden chariot to all the home buyers by central government under the leadership of Shri Narendra Modi ji. And we are confident that stress fund will definitely help Mantri Serenity home buyers, provided if Mantri takes extra step and all these lenders understand your project is also at equally risk, and still you need to sell 30-40% of your flat. Still there are business which is lying on the project. If you are still understanding that your reputation is equally at risk along with home buyers money, please understand all these aspects and take stress fund which is on the table and deliver our home. And please do not give us an opportunity to take further steps to protest in front of your office. It is protesting as good as protesting in front of our home. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಮುಂದ್ಗಡೆನೆ ನಾವೇ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ತಳ್ಳಬೇಡಿ ಮಂತ್ರಿ ಡೆವಲಪರ್ಸ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಹಣಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಲೆ ಕೊಡಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯನ್ನ ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಡಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೈಲಿ ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿಕೊಳ್ಳಕ್ಕೆ ಯೋಗ್ಯತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ಕೇಪಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಣವನ್ನ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಲೆಂಡರ್ಸ್ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಓನರ್ಸ್ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡಿ. ಸಾವಿರಾರು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಗಳ ಪರಿಶ್ರಮದ ಹಣವನ್ನ ತಿಂದು ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಉದ್ಧಾರ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ದಾನವಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿರೋದನ್ನ ಸ್ವೀಕರಣೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಉದ್ಧಾರ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಬಲವಂತವಾಗಿ ಕಿತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಂತ್ರಿ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಕೂಡ ಹಾಳಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಓನರ್ಸ್ ಏನಿವತ್ತು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಆ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಚಾಳಿ ಕೂಡ ಹಾಳಾಗತ್ತೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ರೆಪ್ಯುಟೇಷನ್ ಕೂಡ ಹಾಳಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಲೆಂಡರ್ಸ್ ಮನಿ ಕೂಡ ಹಾಳಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಬರೀ ಮಂತ್ರಿ ಬಯರ್ಸ್ ಹಣ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಳಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಣ ಕೂಡ ಹಾಳಾಗತ್ತೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ರೆಪ್ಯುಟೇಷನ್ ಕೂಡ ಹಾಳಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ಭಗವಂತ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣ ಮಂತ್ರಿ ಡೆವಲಪರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನವನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿ. ಭಗವಂತನ ಕೃಪೆ ಮಂತ್ರಿ ಡೆವಲಪರ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಗ್ಲಿ. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಬುದ್ಧಿಯನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿ, ಸನ್ಮಾರ್ಗವನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಹಣವನ್ನ ನಮಗೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡುವಂತಹ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಬುದ್ಧಿಯನ್ನ ದಯಪಾಲಿಸ್ಲಿ. ಲೆಂಡರ್ಸ್ ಹತ್ರನೂ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಭಗವಂತ ಅವರಿಗೂ ಸಹ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಬುದ್ಧಿಯನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿ. ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಫಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಈ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ, ಮುಂದಿನ ವರ್ಷ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಹ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರಿರುವಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಮನೆಯ ಮಾಲೀಕರುಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಜನ್ಮಾಷ್ಟಮಿಯನ್ನ ಇಸ್ಕಾನ್ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲೇ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರುವಂತಹ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂದಿನ ವರ್ಷ ಭಗವಂತನ ಕೃಪೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ವರ್ಷ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಆಚರಣೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಆ ಆಚರಣೆ ಮಾಡುವ ಹಾಗೆ ಭಗವಂತ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸಹ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಬುದ್ಧಿಯನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿ. ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಮಂತ್ರಿ ಡೆವಲಪರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಭಗವಂತ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಬುದ್ಧಿಯನ್ನ ಕರುಣಿಸ್ಲಿ. ಲೆಂಡರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಬುದ್ಧಿಯನ್ನ ಕರಗಿಸ್ಲಿ. ಕೃಷ್ಣನ ಆರಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರುವಂತಹ ಇಸ್ಕಾನ್ ಚಾರಿಟೀಸ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಭಗವಂತ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸಹ ಶುಭ ಆಗ್ಲಿ. ಭಗವಂತನ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮೇಲೂ ಇರ್ಲಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಗ್ನಗ್ತಾ ಇರಿ. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಹ ಕೃಷ್ಣನ ಜನ್ಮಾಷ್ಟಮಿನ ಮುಂದಿನ ವರ್ಷ ಭಗವಂತನ ಪ್ರೇರಣೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನ ಮುಕ್ತಾಯಗೊಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗಿವ್ ಅಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಹೋಮ್. Please do not give only the hope. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.